Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the Bash shell's debugging mode. It can help pinpoint problems, especially in long or complicated scripts. Now, you can use it in one of two ways. You can invoke it by typing bash-x and then your script name, or you can change the shebang line inside the script so that it includes the -x at the end of it like that. Now, I'm going to show you a simple example. If I type bash-x followed by this script, you can see I run into an error. In this case, it looks like it's a usage error because I didn't give the script arguments and it expected them. So it'll show you usage errors as well as syntax errors. So I'm going to run this again, but give it a couple of arguments. And now you can see we've gotten a little further in here, and we can see all the lines of code as they're being executed. They all have those X signs in front of them. And then we see the script telling us, oh, too many arguments. Are we getting that error from that line in the script? And we look up here, we can see that this date plus %b command is just producing the month of the year. And the script is apparently looking for a month and a day. So we're running into an error there. And because we can see the context here of the command and the too many arguments output, it's easy to figure out what's going on. Well, that is your tip for the Bash debugging mode. If you have any questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.